Now that I took everything apart, unwired everything, if I try to turn it on, nothing happens. That's what we want because we're destroying it. Now we're going to try to remove this circuit board. Now that we have the motherboard removed, now we can access the battery. And once I snap, I will get the battery out of here for you guys to see. And here it is. Now, in the comment section, let me know if I should destroy this battery that is fully charged. Yeah, no kidding. I'm serious. Serious, guys. Okay. Now that that's out, we have to remove the motor. Dun, dun, dun. And once again, I know this is getting boring. Snap and then the motor's out. Now the motor's out. I never knew that was blue. Now we're going to break it open. And let's see what's inside it. Wow. And also, I've decided, since none of my videos get comments, I'm just going to break it open. And, well, what I had to do was I had to open a regular battery. And there was this black stuff in it to see if it was safe to open that one. And it is not safe. And hope you enjoyed this demolition. And have a nice day.